Horizon Ag has set up demonstration areas this season to showcase the proper management for Clearfield varieties where regional differences come into play. In Mississippi, a large research and demonstration field in LaFleur County is being done with the assistance of Twin Ridge Farms. Here, Horizon will evaluate several factors that contributed to harvest difficulties in 2009 with CL 151. The plot will also allow the company to accumulate another season of baseline data for other new varieties that have recently entered the market. Much of the work will be focused on managing Clearfield rice varieties with proper seeding rates and nitrogen rates and timing of application.
You know, if a variety is an average variety with respect to yield and we have some problems like lodging, we're not as scared to put it back or decrease our acreage. But when a variety like 151 comes to the table that has so much potential, we feel like it's our responsibility to give it every opportunity that we can to perform in the field, to reach the potential that it has. So that's the reason that we're doing such a large amount of extra work with it this year, to try to figure out a way to tweak it, and I believe that we can. We've done it with some other varieties that have had similar characteristics, and so I've got a lot of hope. In addition to the treatments that you have here, we actually have 30 different treatments replicated 4 times with this variety at Stoneville as well as Crowley, Louisiana, with all different types of nitrogen rates and timings. And one of the things that we feel pretty comfortable about is being able to apply a nitrogen application, not a lot of nitrogen, 30 to 40 pounds of nitrogen at the late boot to early heading stage. We don't really expect to get a lot of yield potential from that application, but what we do envision is being able to maintain some strength in that straw. That the yield potential of 151 just really saps all of those, the nitrogen source from the leaves and from the stems. So what you end up with is a lot of desiccated stems trying to hold up a 200 bushel crop. So if we can put a late nitrogen application out to help replenish what's been mined by the grain, then that could give us an opportunity to keep the thing standing. Yeah.
As we continue to document the progress of our field research with Clearfield rice varieties, you can follow us here and gather important information from our findings. Check back periodically throughout the summer and fall for updates.